Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raymond Gasky at Bradford Family Chiropractic. Today we're going to be using Kinesiotape to assist our treatment in stenosing tenosynovitis or de Quervain syndrome. De Quervain syndrome usually presents itself as pain in the wrist, in the medial wrist, right below the joint of the thumb. Different ways to diagnose this. One good sign of de Quervain syndrome is we're going to have our patient lock our thumb into our fist, we're going to close the fist, and we're going to bring the wrist down. If that causes pain in this area, one possible diagnosis is going to be de Quervain syndrome. So in order to tape this for support, we're going to have the patient, hangnail or no hangnail, we're going to be taping up this wrist. So we're going to be using a pre-cut piece of tape that we're going to angle off to easily attach to the thumb. And if you could come around here and get a picture of me taping this, we're going to untab the tape, bring this to the side. I'm going to bring this down to the top of the thumb. We're rubbing on that tape to heighten the adhesive qualities of the tape, and we're just going to be peeling this tape back. Now let's keep that thumb up. Good. And we're going to lay that tape right down to here. Now we're going to have the patient just roll that wrist down for me. So we're going to roll that wrist down, and we're going to lay it down very properly there. So it's about 8 to 10 inches of tape. We're putting it right down to the proximal phalangeal joint, covering this area loosely. Now we're going to put our second piece of tape as a support structure right below the crease of the wrist. So for this tape, it's more for inflammation. So we're going to take that tape, we're going to give it a nice 100% stretch. We're going to dial it back to about 50%, and we're going to cross it right over the inflamed portion. And we're going to wrap that tape and lay it around on both sides. So we're going to use our tape back. Heat up the adhesives. And again, this is taping for stenosing tenosynovitis of the wrist. Again, this is Dr. Raymond Gasky, Bradford Family Chiropractic. Thank you for your time.